Russian aircraft manufacturer, UAC began deliveries of the latest multifunctional Su-30 SM2 fighters to the Russian armed forces as part of the state defense order. Dubbed Super Sukhoi, the Su-30 SM2 is a modernized version of the Su-30 SM. The first aircraft of the new modification in the naval livery have already departed from the Irkutsk aviation plant to the place of its deployment, the Russian Ministry of Defense TV channel, tvzvezda.ru reported. The Su-30 SM2's main areas of improvement over the Su-30 SM is an advanced engine and a new phased array radar, which dramatically expands its combat capabilities, according to the report. At the same time, the fighter retained all the advantages of the basic version: super maneuverability, long flight range and a wide arsenal of weapons. The Su-30 SM fighter was tested with the Al-41F1S only a couple of months ago. It is part of Russian MOD's plan of achieving as much commonality with the Su-35 as possible. The new engine for the Su-30 SM2 is the Al-41F1S TVC engine derived from the top-of-the-line Su-35 jet. The new engine will provide an increased thrust-to-weight ratio, lower fuel consumption and longer time between overhauls when compared with the outgoing Al-31FP engine. Also new in the Su-30 SM2 is PESA radar, the N011M bars R derivative with increased detection and tracking performance compared to the radar on the Su-30 SM. The SM2 upgrade includes the OSNO multi-channel communication and information distribution system, which enables the aircraft's integration in Russia's new generation command and control network.